Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover on perimeter. By definition, perimeter is the total distance covered around the figure. Here we have a combined figure that is made by two semicircle and the rectangle as the middle. We need to find the perimeter, that is the distance around this figure. Let me start by naming the figure. I will call this figure as figure A, B, C, D. Our perimeter is the same as taking distance AB plus arc BC plus distance CD. Again, we are going to add arc DA. Distance AB is the same as the length of our rectangle, so distance AB is equal to L plus arc BC. This is a semicircle from which its distance is given by a half pi d. Then we are going to add by distance CD. This also is the length of a rectangle, so we are going to add by L. At last, we are going to add arc DA, which is the semicircle. Its distance is given by a half pi d. So this gives us the perimeter of our figure. Our perimeter is going to be equal to L plus L. We are going to get 2L plus a half pi d plus a half pi d. We are going to get pi d. This is the formula that we are going to use to find the perimeter of our figure. But they have given to us the length equal to 55. Length is equal to 55 centimeter and diameter is equal to 28. Our diameter is equal to 28. Let us substitute length and diameter to our formula. We are going to get perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by 55 plus, I'm going to use pi as 22 over 7. That is going to be 22 over 7 multiplied by diameter, which is 28. 2 multiplied by 55, we get 110 plus by 7, it is 1 by 7 to 28, we get 4. 4 multiplied by 22, we are going to get 88. Our perimeter will be equal to 110 plus 88, which is going to give us 198. This is centimeter. I hope you understand how to find the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter is the total distance covered around the figure. For the case of our question, it is distance AB plus arc BC plus distance CD. Again, we add by arc DA and we get perimeter equal to 198 centimeter. For more questions about perimeter and area, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.